Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to cancel a money request on Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. On the main screen, look at the bottom and tap the Activity tab. The Activity tab looks like a small clock. This is where you can see all your recent payments and requests. Tap there to open your activity list. Now look for the money request that you want to cancel. Pending requests will appear in this list. Tap on the request you want to cancel to open its details. On the Details screen, you should see the Decline Request or Cancel Request button. Tap that button to cancel the request. After tapping Cancel, the app may ask you to confirm your choice. Tap Confirm or Yes to complete the cancellation. Once you do this, the request will be canceled, and the person you sent it to will not be able to accept it. If you do not see the option to cancel, it means the request was already accepted or expired. Thanks for watching.